What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and you already know, man, it's Monday. If you're watching this video, it's Monday, but for me, it's Saturday, gang. You know what I'm saying? We did have a release today. One that I personally been waiting on for a long time, about 17 years to be exact. I think the last time that this sneaker was released, my daughter was just now coming into the world, man. Shout out to my baby girl, man. She's no longer a baby, but she'll always be my baby, man. Shout out to her. Anyway, man, that was the last time this shoe was released. And I'm gonna be honest, a lot of people don't too much care about this shoe like that, except for people my age, and I am happy about that. I'm happy that the young people don't care about this shoe because I was able to finally win a raffle, gang. Finally actually won a raffle, you know what I'm saying? Like, Hibbit don't show no love. JD don't show no love. Sneakers app really be my only dubs for real. Like, between me and my wife, we win on Sneakers app, but I actually hit on Foot Locker, man. You know what I'm saying? I had a little points, you know what I mean? Got my head starts. Probably ain't need them anyway. But hey, I won a raffle. Let's celebrate. Let's see what we got in store today. So I got the box right here, man. And as you can see, you got a little spackle box with a, you know, what is that? Almost like I'll say orange. Probably ain't orange, man. Looking more like Texas orange. I don't know. But you got the Jumpman right in the middle right there. Let's read what's inside the box. We have the Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is Army Olive and Solar Orange. So guys, that's Solar Orange to be exact. And that is a size 12. That's a personal. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so let's get inside this box. Some more spackled paper right there, and I don't know what that is. What is this? Just a little sticker, little olive QC05. I don't know what that means, guys. But anyway, we got the AJ5, man. Olive right here in the building, man. So we got the Air Jordan 5 Retro, man, the olive colorway. And I'm gonna be honest, man, it's been 17 years in the making since the last time I saw this sneaker release. And I'm gonna be real, I did not personally have this pair back in the day. Similar to the Burgundy 5, another 5 that I brought to this channel. My last review was a 5. I told y'all, we really love 5s in this house, man. I put respect on 5s just because I remember this being a sneaker that you just had to have. One of my homies, man, he actually had, shout out to T-Time82, he had both pairs back in the day. He had the Burgundies and he had the Olives. He has the largest collection I've ever seen in my life to this day. I've never seen anybody with a bigger collection. I got a homie out in Texas. I'm pretty sure he got like a sneaker store collection type vibe too. But my boy T-Time, man, we was younger, man. He had these olives and he made them look so crazy, man, back in the day. It was a store back in Eastland Mall in Charlotte. I can't really remember. Was it Harold Penner? Harold Penner in Eastland Mall. If you're from Charlotte, Eastland Mall don't exist no more. But there was a store called Harold Penner downstairs. I remember my homie going to cop these joints and pick them up. And that was 17 years ago, gang. But now they're back. And I'm gonna be honest, having them in hand, knowing that this is my size, bro, these are fire, bro. I'm not even finna lie to you. Let's get into the details of the shoe. I like to grab the second shoe out on what we call the quality control segment here on the Mud Talk Radio channel. We do a side-by-side comparison. We look at both shoes and we just check for any type of quality control issues. Just because I pay retail for this shoe, I would suggest that a lot of you try not to pay retail for the shoe. And one thing, if you do take that route, you're gonna want to look out for any type of quality control issues. So I'm gonna tell you and show you what my pair look like. And if I see something, I'm gonna tell you what to look out for on your pair. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm looking at the suede. I believe that's suede. Kind of feels like a rough material. I don't know, it might be suede. I might be wrong. Y'all, I might be wrong. It might be suede and another material on there. That's definitely suede on the toe box. But anyway, I don't see any stitching issues right now. I do see a bit of cracking right here on the back. I don't know what that's about. Nothing too crazy, but just because I'm examining it closely is why I see that. No stitching issues, no upside down jump mans. If y'all saw that on the AJ4 Bread Reimagined, can you believe that pair ended up selling for like, somebody said that pair sold for like $17,000, that defective pair that came from Nike, where somebody got a pair of Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined and the jump man on the tongue, one of them was upside down, the other one was right side up. I'm pretty sure y'all saw that. It went viral all over the internet, but they said that pair sold for 17 grand. Maybe I need an upside down jump man on the shoe. I don't know. But anyway, man, I think this shoe is in pretty good shape. Nike did a pretty good job. Let's talk about styling real quick on this AJ5 Olive. I'm gonna be honest, this is a shoe I wanna throw on right now. I got on some gray joggers, I got a black hoodie on, and I got on a green hat. Like, I probably could keep this green even though it's a different green. Yeah, no, I probably have to change the hat. But you could go comfortable like I am right now and throw this on kind of comfortable. You could throw some jeans on with it. I'm just trying to think about what I would do with it. I've seen a lot of these soccer or baseball jersey type joints. I don't think they call soccer jerseys actual jerseys. They call something else. Shout out to my boy Curtis York, man. I seen where they went to the Charlotte FC game. I'm not a soccer fan, so I don't keep up with it. I did learn something though, that you don't call a jersey, it's called something else. Drop it in the comment section, Kurt. I know if you watch this video, bro, help me out. But I can see yourself throwing on some, I can see myself throwing on some wide jeans, a baseball jersey, a soccer jersey. I would even throw on like a hockey type jersey with these joints and a hat and just chill out, man. It's starting to be warm. I'll take that back. Yesterday it was like 40 degrees and freaking raining all day. So as it continues to warm up, get into the 60-degree weather range, the kit, my wife, man, MVP behind the camera, man, the kit, a soccer kit, that's what it's called, man. Why do they call it a kit and not a jersey, man? I don't know. Maybe because, I don't know. Again, I don't watch soccer. No shade to people that watch soccer. I just can't get into it, gang. Can't get into it, gang. I know they be lit at the games and all of this stuff, but not a soccer guy, man, not a soccer guy. But I would definitely rock a soccer kit. I would rock one. I would rock one for sure. But some jeans, you know, soccer kit, you know, a jersey, something like that. What did she say? Hold on, we got an explanation right here. In professional soccer, a player's jersey and the rest of the equipment they wear out on the pitch, what the heck is a pitch, is referred to as a kit or uniform. Using the term uniform is fairly self-explanatory, but a kit is a word that might sound a bit strange to US players or fans. I might be more confused than I was before. But shout out the soccer game, man. The soccer players overseas, they make a ton of money. I think it's the #1 soccer players earn the most money out of all professional sports, at least the ones overseas, not in the US. The US ones don't make that much bread. In comparison to, you know, baseball, basketball, stuff like that. But anyway, man, enough about all of that. I would wear this with a soccer jersey, man, to sum it up. You know what I'm saying? And some jeans or some shorts, some nice Nike socks, man, and just really chill out, man. Some joggers. I would throw it on right now. That's how I would do it. All right, man, so let's get into my rating of this shoe before I get out of here, gang. Let me pull the second one, man, because it's something about having both of them in your hand when you're about to do a rating that really just... Alternate laces, the green kind of hard. Do it go with the hoodie? It does. All right, man. Whew. Because we've been waiting, I've been waiting 17 years on this release, 17 years. And as my dog is playing, trying to bite up one of my wife's shoes in the background, all right, man, I'm gonna be honest, bro. This might throw y'all a lot of y'all for a loop, man. I'm going 8 out of 10 for the AJ5 Olive, just because, man, 17 years is a long time to wait, gang. And we got it back. I'm going 8 out of 10. If you think that's too high, drop it in the comment section. Let me know why. If you think it's too low, drop it in the comment section. Let me know why. But as always, man, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.